a lady comes to me telling she's missed her period, and the first thing we do a scan. And then what we see is just a small black dot.
Right.
That's it. And then we ask them to come back after 2 weeks. We see a tiny little heart beating inside that. Isn't that a miracle happening?
True.
2 weeks later, and when I show them the heartbeat and when I make them hear the heartbeat, I don't think there's anything precious than that.
True.
So, and then it starts growing, and then 12 weeks it forms a shape. It looks exactly like that, the baby shape. And then it keeps growing. And then when we have to deliver the baby at 9th month, that's a miracle.
कि पहले ज़माने में तो इतना सारा टेस्ट नहीं होता था, एंड डॉक्टर्स सिर्फ पैसा कमाने के लिए इतना सारा टेस्ट देते हैं, जैसे ब्लड टेस्ट या फिर एवरी मंथ जो अल्ट्रासाउंड करते हैं.
So I agree there were few tests, like the blood tests or the scans were not done as many as what we are doing today. इतना सारा नहीं था पहले. So there are advantages and disadvantages both. Like say, abhi itna sara diagnostic procedures, the tests are there, so we are not missing on any findings. The early pregnancy scan, every scan has its own meaning to it. Like, first of all, to begin with, scan is not harmful because most of them think ultrasound kiya to bacha ko kuch ho jayega. But there's nothing like that because ultrasound is just ultrasound waves. What we are worried about is the radiation, the X-ray. So that X-ray is something which we don't do during pregnancy. But ultrasound is safe to start with. Second thing about what you told, itna sara scans kyun chahiye karke, every scan has its own importance to it. Pehle abhi period miss hua ki usually what we do is do a urine pregnancy test at home.
Yeah.
Correct? That's the simple basic thing which everybody does.
Yeah.
अच्छा, घर में यूरिन प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट किया तो पॉजिटिव तो आया ही है, तो क्यों स्कैन? शी इज प्रेग्नेंट, सो वेट फॉर 3 months. बट नाउ अभी स्कैन में व्हाट आर यू सीइंग? सी, यूरिन प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट विल बी पॉजिटिव वेर एवर द प्रेगनेंसी इज. प्रेगनेंसी कैन हैपन इन द यूट्रस, इट कैन हैपन इन द ट्यूब. So when it happens in the tube, it's an ectopic pregnancy. It's not a normal site for the pregnancy to happen. So वो देखने के लिए we have to do a scan.
अच्छा, ये भी होता है?
Yes. Pregnancy can happen not only in the uterus, where it's the normal place to happen. It can happen in the tube. It can happen in the fallopian tube. So tube में हुआ तो वो abnormal है ना? So it will burst and she'll land up having a ruptured ectopic. That will become an emergency. So ये देखने के लिए the first scan where the pregnancy is and the dating scan is important. अच्छा, हो गया, अभी scan हुआ and then we have to see for the baby's heartbeat. क्योंकि there are chances that the woman might have a miscarriage where she doesn't get the heartbeat at all. So we have to check for the heartbeat. Again, that is through a scan. And then the important 3rd month scan, NT scan, what we do, that's the most important one. पहले तो it was just the NT scan. We didn't have any marker tests. But अभी तो NT scan के साथ we do few marker tests. That's a blood test to see whether baby has any other genetic problems, which was not picked up before. So that's why we didn't have much of scans and blood tests before. Then the 5th month and the 9th month scan, which is done, the 5th month to rule out any major anomalies with the baby, and the 9th month as a growth scan. So that's a myth again that ऐसा scan किया तो that will have an effect on the baby.
अच्छा, I want to know कि ये जब ट्यूब में प्रेगनेंसी होती है, so this is what causes miscarriage or
no, well, even if the pregnancy is in the uterus, it can cause miscarriage. But the tube में pregnancy जो क्या होता है, that is called the ectopic pregnancy. So if the pregnancy happens in the tube, that won't continue because the tube is a very thin structure. So वो pregnancy वो tube के अंदर grow हुआ तो it will burst. Then she'll start bleeding inside, what we call as a ruptured ectopic.
अच्छा.
So then we have to do a laparoscopy and then operate and take out the tube or the pregnancy. So to rule out that, the first few scans are very important.
Because some people just do a urine test at home, वो जो भी instant test होता है, and then they don't go to a doctor also for 3 months.
3 महीने तक नहीं जाना है ना. That is the myth again. पहले अभी 3 महीना खत्म होने के बाद जाएंगे. So that's the thing.
डॉक्टर के पास इमीडिएटली जाना जरूरी है
one, to know about the pregnancy health, and two, to start on the important multivitamins which are required. So folic acid has to be started for the baby's brain development, and if there is anything else to be ruled out, we do blood test to rule out thyroid, early diabetes, hemoglobin kam hai ya nahi. So all this can be corrected if it is detected early.